My name is Susan, and I'm the GE Healthcare Women's Health and Specialty Applications Manager. And this is the Voluson E8 Expert. It's our premium system designed for women's health. We've recently introduced two new image quality tools. They are HD Live and VSRI. I'd like to introduce you to HD Live, the next generation of our dynamic rendering engine on our Voluson E8 premium ultrasound system for women's health. This feature has actually allowed us to increase depth perception when we look at our images. We utilize a movable light source, which allows us to highlight different structures within the anatomy as we move that light source. I'm going to take a moment and show you how that light source works now. Over here on the image, you can actually see an icon that indicates where the light source is shining. I'm going to move that light source, and what you'll see is different aspects of the anatomy. This has allowed physicians to actually increase their diagnostic confidence as they're looking at individual structures. HD Live helps to provide exceptional anatomical realism while increasing the depth perception that you see in an image. While Volume SRI, a volumetric multiplanar tool, assists in reducing the speckle you naturally see in ultrasound images. Both tools help to improve image quality and increase diagnostic confidence. At GE Ultrasound, we have a wide variety of transducers. I'd like to introduce you to two new transducers that we've recently added to our product portfolio. First, this is the C4 to 8 transducer. It will help you provide you with increased image quality in your first trimester scanning, as well as increase your diagnostic confidence when visualizing your obstetrical ultrasounds. Next, we have the new RAB6 transducer. It is the ultra-light 3D/4D transducer that's just been introduced to the market. If you could hold this transducer, you would realize how adding this to your portfolio will absolutely be a must in your practice. Here at GE Ultrasound, we've designed the console with you in mind. Understanding the increased repetitive stress injury that are being seen within the industry, I'm going to point out a few of the ergonomic features that we've utilized within this system. First, we have a 19-inch high-definition monitor on an articulating arm, allowing you to really bring this into a comfortable position while you're doing your exams. Next, I'm going to point out that the keyboard actually can raise and lower with just the touch of the button. We also have a keyboard that can be pulled closer to you, allowing you during your exams to customize your workspace. And last, our intuitive design of our keyboard allows your repetitive motions to be minimized, reducing the stress that you feel during your exams on a day-to-day basis. It's all of these features that actually have provided an ergonomic system to be utilized within the women's healthcare market. First, I'd like to introduce you to SonoNT, one of our automated tools that help to provide consistent and reproducible measurements of the nuchal translucency. I'm going to actually show you here on this system how we utilize this tool. First, I'm going to place a box around the area of the nuchal translucency. Then the machine will actually calculate the measurement to be used during this exam. This will allow the practice to have consistent and reproducible measurements throughout their day, regardless of who their users are. The next automated tool is SonoAVC Follicle. This tool automatically calculates the number and volume of follicles within a stimulated ovary during your volume sweep. As you can see, the follicles are color-coded and measured. The corresponding measurements are displayed here on the monitor. This truly helps you to improve the workflow and efficiency of the follicle assessment study. Now I'd like to introduce you to another tool within our automated suite called Sono VCAD Heart. This tool helps to standardize image orientation of the fetal heart by providing 6 views that are automatically obtained with a single volume acquisition. Now I'm going to walk you through the steps within this system. As you can see, there's an image orientation graphic up here that the heart has been aligned to. By pressing a single button, the machine automatically calculates 6 additional views of that heart. I'm going to walk through those views now. This allows the user to take one single volume acquisition and provide a more comprehensive assessment of the fetal heart during their obstetrical exam.